Right, guys, I'm now looking at here one equation, trigonometric equation, which is also coming in the disguise of a quadratic equation. As it is this exercise both give you practice on quadratic equation and trigonometric equations. So I'm not going to worry really about factorization at the moment, but I've already factorized it. But what I want you to do is at home you can just try to check how did I factorize this thing, and even check whether I factorized it correctly. This is how I factorize this thing. It gives me cos t plus half and the cos t minus a quarter. I think you can sense that it is true a bit, because if I'm going to add here, I'm going to add half minus a quarter, which is going to give me a quarter, isn't it? When I'm going to multiply, I'm going to multiply minus a quarter times half, which is going to give me 8, isn't it? It looks more or less correct at the moment. Now, then, that is the same as the previous equation. So now when I get here now, I can say cos t plus half equals to 0, or cos t minus 1/4 equals to 0. That's the property of now number factors multiplying to 0. One of them must be 0. Then finally there is going to cos t equals to minus 0.5, or cos t equals to a quarter. So what can I do? I can now solve this equation exactly the same way we solved the first one, isn't it? If I want to use the reference angle, I now say cos T0, where T0 is a reference angle, then this is 0.5. Sorry, this was 0.5, I didn't put a comma there. Are we together? Then I'll get to my situation where I'm going to say T0 is equals to cos second function of 0.5. And now I just written that T0, but at the back of everybody's head, you must understand that I've applied the second function cos on cos, isn't it? To get cos. Out together. Okay. Then I've got that. Then I can now key in this in my calculator and get my value. What is the value of T0? 1 point. Sorry? It's 1 over 3 pi. Pi over? That sounds a bit strange to me. Is your calculator in mode radians? Is your calculator in mode radians? Okay, so what are you getting? 1,047. We're getting that t as 1,047. That is in the first quadrant, isn't it? So now, if you want the angle in the where S is cosine point to positive, in the fourth quadrant, isn't it? So now, the other angle will be, let's say now, giving the solution to therefore, t is equals to 1,047, or t equals to 2 pi minus 1,047. Altogether. Then we can now come and solve this one also in a similar kind of way. Yes? Oh, sorry. Sorry. I made a mistake there. When giving the solution now, you must now check where it is negative. You use the reference angle. So the last line here, You must correct, please correct that one. I overlooked that and just thought we were dealing with an angle, a equation which was positive. Relook at that one altogether. Then you can proceed exactly the same fashion now and solve for 1/4. The only thing which I want to highlight here is that the trigonometric equation you're going to solve now is not going to be given like sine t equal to 0,5 or sine t equal to 0,75. No, they can come in a way combined with quadratic equation like this or exponential equation, and you must be able to manipulate them. Is that right? Okay. Otherwise, I'm going to stop there and say, okay, that's the end of that example. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you next time.